Hello everyone, myself Dr. Samya Hullanavar. I'm a lead specialist at Elite Ayurveda. I'm over here today to talk about age factor and male fertility rate. So I have also spoke about the woman fertility rate along with the age in my other previous videos. So today let's say as the man starts aging, whether their fertility rate remains the same or not. So maybe we have all heard about that, men in their 80s and 90s fathering the children. But this is rare that a father's age also affects the chance of a couple getting pregnant. It takes longer for the partners of men older than 40 years to conceive. Assuming a woman is younger than 25, if her partner is also younger than 25. So that's a comparison. It takes an average of 5 months to get pregnant if both are younger than 25 years. And if her partner is older than 40 years, it takes around 2 years and even longer if he is older than 45. Also, the risk of miscarriage is higher for the woman who has the male partner is older than 45. So compared to the men, of course, younger than the 25 years of age. The male fertility generally start to reduce around the age of 40 to 45 years when the sperm quality starts decreasing. So increasing male age reduces the overall chance of pregnancy and increases time to pregnancy. That is the number of menstrual cycle it takes to become a pregnant and the risk of miscarriage and the even fetal death sometimes. So children of older fathers also have an increased risk of mental health problems, although this is still rare, but there is a chance or the risk factors are there. And children of this aged 40 or over are 5 times more likely to develop an autism spectrum disorder than the children further aged 30 or less. They also have a slightly increased risk of developing schizophrenia and other mental health disorders maybe in the later stages of their life. And for the couples having this IVF, the chance of having the baby is higher if the man is younger than the 41 years of age. Maybe because of the change that happen in the eggs and sperms as we start aging, including damage to genetic material, children of older parents have slightly high risk of birth defects and genetic abnormalities as well. So as I mentioned before, the mental health problems, autism spectrum are marginally higher in the children of fathers older than the 40 compared to the younger fathers. A man age, their testes tends to get smaller and softer and the sperm morphology and motility tend to decline. So in addition, there is a slightly high risk of gene defect in the sperm as well. So aging men may develop medical illness that adversely affect their sexual and reproductive function as well. Maybe not all the men experience significant changes in the reproductive or sexual functioning as they age, especially men who maintaining a good health over the years. But if at all, if the person is already not into any kind of a particular exercises, maybe a dieting lifestyle, if he is a person who smokes a lot or with the alcohol habits and all, then they have more chances of there could be significant changes also in their reproductive and sexual functioning. But yes, as I said, definitely the age factor equally affects in the male as well compared to the female age factor when it comes to a fertility rate. Thank you.